Okay, so we're gonna be making. What are we gonna be making?
Our famous chicken food. Chicken dessert.
Chicken dessert. So
Pour
we
in the
have.
water.
What do we have? No, not yet. What do we have here?
Well, we have some chicken food and some bird food, and that's all we have in here.
That's all we have, and then we have some fruit, flowers, and lettuce. We have not chicken food, turkey food, but we're gonna add the water now. Add the water. Some water.
Okay, that's enough. Okay.
Okay, now mix.
Alright. The water goes here.
The water will hydrate the turkey, chickens, and it will make it mold. It's not molding. Add a little bit more water just in case. Like that.
It's not molding. More water?
No.
It's not molding.
It's not?
No, it's not. What did we do wrong?
Look.
Wait, it's actually molding.
There you go. You just need to mix it, I guess.
Okay, help me. Where did I put the water?
Here. Let's see. Okay.
Just make it into little balls.
Okay, it's finally molding. Okay. So okay. So it's molding now. Oh my gosh. Okay, anyways, it's molding already. So
Here
that's
comes the
perfect.
turkey.
Okay, get that thing off and put it right there, and we can start molding it into cookies.
I need to
This is the first one.
Doesn't look that good.
Have this, strawberries, and some flowers. Okay.
Here's a little cookie.
There we go.
It's really hard work.
Needed to mold on so it stays together. Oh gosh.
There's the other
The
one.
neighbors are very bad. So yeah, I don't like them.
And here's the second cookie.
So yeah. We don't like them because they killed some turkeys.
Yeah, that was
And-
our turkey.
Yeah, it was my cousin's turkeys. And yeah, they might have killed the dog. There's one person, I guess. Okay, yeah. So yeah, moving on.
Okay, we're gonna have to save some of this. Oh.
Okay,
Okay, never mind.
we have to hurry up because
Our customers.
well, what?
Our customers. Customers chicken?
Customers. What did you say, Samantha?
Customers.
What?
Customers.
Customers?
Okay. I don't know how to say customers. Customers.
Customers. Oh my god, you made me forget how to say it, girl.
What did you just do to my cookie?
I'm shaking it again because it was gonna fall apart. Well, they're gonna fall apart either way, so I guess.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you fill up the whole entire row,
That's it.
that's it? Okay.
Like, we're not using too much.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's it?
Yeah.
Okay, now we're
There's a little
finally, we're literally finally
Oh my god, I didn't do that.
going to decorate them. So start decorating your cookies.
Alright.
Okay, yeah. No, Brianna, you decorate your own cookie.
Okay, I want to decorate this one then.
Okay,
this is
this
mine.
is mine. I'm gonna decorate one at a time.
Okay.
Don't take all the strawberries.
Okay, I'm gonna take some flowers. Wait, is this mine?
I don't know, Samantha.
Oh yeah, this is mine.
Okay, we're gonna end up needing more flowers. If you want to
Alright.
use more flowers.
This one goes
For the bride.
What the heck? I'm gonna use sprinkles. I'm gonna use a strawberry.
This one's mine.
Okay, I'm gonna use this small strawberry for the.
That's my cousin, my little cousin. That's, I guess, yours. I don't know.
And
That's mine right
some-
there.
Wait,
So,
save one. Save this one. I want to do something.
okay, well, now we have to split the one strawberry, okay? So you have to split it into more pieces.
I want to make it. This one's special. Okay.
Oh, there's still more strawberries.
And there's some little bugs here. This one's gonna be smiling. It's gonna be a face. A face?
Okay.
That is very good.
Split. Make sure you split them. So these are how it looks. This is how it looks so far.
Okay, time to make this up. Some eyebrows. I don't know what I just made. I don't know what
What is that?
What is that? Those are eyebrows. Looks like an alien.
Here. I'll help you. Wait, what? It's supposed to have 2 eyes.
It needs to have 3 eyes because it's an alien.
Oh, okay. I like mine. Mine's beautiful.
Yeah, it is. That's what
Oh
your eyes. My god, you really ruined up your masterpiece.
So sad.
My
I don't
hands
care.
are getting
Haha, it's gonna
hard.
get-
My hands are getting part of the turkey food.
Okay.
Alright.
Are we done?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
We're just gonna put the other ones right here.
Okay.
Okay, let's take it. These are
This one's a very special one. With the flowers. Don't get off now. Okay, I'll get off. Ah! Hurry up before it falls in. Yeah, hurry up.
Here, hold on.
So, do we cook them in the oven?
Here.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's.
Let's watch them.
Make way for the big turkey.
Yes, that's the big man.
Go hurry. Go. Go eat.
Here comes some more food. Yes, they may be like our food or maybe not. Took my flower. No, they took off. Wow, they're destroying the cookie.
Hold it right here. Like that.
What?
Just like that, yeah. Just hold it like that.
Okay. And here comes Brianna running fast.
There we go. Can you see the food?
extra of the food. Oh wow.
I think they give it a 10 out of 10.
Okay.
That is enough!
Alright.
You guys aren't even eating the beautiful strawberries.
I know. Even the beautiful flowers. They're not even beautiful flowers.
Huh? We have extra people.
I'm gonna go down so they don't run.
Because they deserve it too. Hello. Oh, shush, neighbors. You know what you did. Okay. Okay, let's leave to see. This is the exotic. Oh my god. What is that guy doing? I think they're gonna enjoy it. They're already eating it.
I'm eating it.
No one?
No one loves it. Okay, time to move it. Oh. What do they have? An egg. Good job.
Okay, that's very weird. But,
Let's move it. Don't worry. Alright. Someone eat it. Yeah.
beautiful the babies
Yeah.
are eating it.
The babies need it. Yes. For the rest of their life. Not the rest of their life. Oh, you are a neighbor.
These are the good neighbors.
Yeah.
Look at the
I don't think our neighbors are there. And there's like Pancho here.
Pancho is a very cute bird.
Pancho! Pancho! Pancho!
Anyway, let's let the loving it, I guess.
Yeah, we're loving it. So what are we gonna do now? This looks really awesome. Yeah. They are laying eggs. There goes the duck.